the wait is almost over. Samsung is all set to unveil its latest foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, in just a month. With a wave of expected upgrades, this year's foldable is generating huge buzz among tech enthusiasts. From design enhancements to performance improvements, the Fold 7 promises to be an upgrade worth considering. If you're thinking about switching to Samsung's latest foldable, you must know about the exciting new features it offers compared to last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6. Here, we break down the 5 biggest changes coming your way with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 vs Galaxy Z Fold 6. What's different? 1. Slimmer, stronger, and more durable design. Samsung is reportedly making the Galaxy Z Fold 7 thinner, lighter, and more compact, making it easier to hold and carry. The device is expected to have a 3.9mm thickness, weighing 236 grams, compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which measured 5.6mm in thickness and weighed 239 grams. Another major design improvement is the new hinge mechanism, which aims to reduce crease visibility on the main display. This means better durability, ensuring the phone lasts longer even with repeated folds. 2. Bigger, brighter, and more immersive display. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to improve the viewing experience with larger screen sizes. Samsung has reportedly expanded the cover display to 6.5 inches, up from 6.3 inches on the Z Fold 6. Meanwhile, the main LTPO OLED display is expected to grow to 8 inches, offering an even more immersive experience for multitasking and entertainment. Additionally, the display comes with a 120Hz refresh rate for super smooth scrolling and gaming, and a peak brightness of 2600 nits, ensuring sharp, clear visibility even in bright sunlight. 3. Faster, smarter, and more efficient performance. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be faster and more powerful than its predecessor. While the Galaxy Z Fold 6 features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the Z Fold 7 will reportedly be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. The device is also expected to pack 12 GB of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking, whether you're using multiple apps, gaming, or streaming content. One of the biggest software advantages is that the Fold 7 will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16, meaning users get the latest AI features and software enhancements right out of the box. 4. Revolutionary camera upgrades. Samsung is gearing up to significantly boost the camera quality of its foldable lineup. Reports suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature a 200MP main camera, compared to 50MP on the Fold 6. Other camera improvements include a 10MP telephoto lens for optical zoom and a 12MP ultrawide lens, ensuring high-quality shots in different conditions. For selfies, the cover display features a 10MP camera, while the main display has a 4MP underdisplay sensor for a seamless look. 5. Battery and charging enhancements. The battery capacity of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to remain similar to that of the Z Fold 6, at 4,400 mAh. However, the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor is expected to be more power efficient, meaning users could see better battery life compared to last year's model. There are also rumors of faster charging speeds, though details on exact wattage are still unclear. Samsung could introduce better heat management, ensuring the device stays cool during intensive tasks like gaming and video editing.